Welcome friends. In our fourth exercise, I have chosen a model solid. It's isometric so that I can show you simple multi-section solid tool, how it can be used from sketch-based features of part design workbench. So let's just get started with our work. Invoke the part design workbench. Name it as exercise 4. And invoke the YZ plane and invoke the sketcher. As we can see that we will first prepare a base feature, and upon it we will invoke multi-section tool to create this frustum and rest of the features. So first we will prepare this base, that is of 100 height, 50 width and 76 in length. And its thickness is 12 from both ends. Okay, so just say 12. And its length is 38. 50 minus 12 is 38, and just say here to here. So our sketch is prepared. Exit the workbench, invoke the pad tool and just say 38 from one end and mirror to extend, that is 76. So here is our base feature prepared. Now we are going to see the multi-section tool, how it can be used to create that frustum. For that we need to see its lower portion dia is 48, that means 24 radius. It's at distance of 11, that means 35. From the center it's 35, and upper portion is at 46 distance and at 38 dia. So let's just create it. Select this and plane and sketch. 24, and I will just give the points, and say 35, and this coincident, so it will not move. Exit it, and now we will need a reference element plane at a distance of 46, as upper portion is at 46 distance from the back, 46. So let's just say reference is this plane and reverse it, and let's just say its distance is 46. So here it is, and invoke the sketcher, construction. Okay, exit, and let's just say it's 19. So both are coincident, and exit the workbench. Now we will use multi-section solid tool. Select both circle, and one thing is to be kept in mind during multi-section solid, that both have the same direction, and press the OK. So here is our frustum prepared. Now in between there is a hole, through hole of 20 dia. So we will use the hole and position it. Let's just position it, construction, and let's just say this, and our hole point are coincident, and exit the workbench. Give it dia 20 and through depth of 46. Say OK, and here our hole is prepared. So let's just create other portion which are left out. It is 12 in thickness, and from the front end it is 28. So let's just create this select this plane and invoke the sketcher. Create one reference line at the middle of it and use the offset, and let's just say it 6, and create another from here, let's just say it 12, and create it another solid, and let's just invoke from here to here, let's just say 28. So here we have to remove unwanted sections of the sketch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are complete with our sketch. So exit the workbench, invoke the pad and say it up to the surface, and select the surface for it, this, and say OK. So here is our feature. Now we are left with holes. So hole is of 11 and is at a distance of 32 from back. So just select this plane, invoke the sketcher, and both hole is at distance of 52. We can mirror it from the center. So let's just create one 5.5 and give it a distance. And this is 32. So we are done with it. Let's just mirror it on other side. And exit the workbench and say pocket through OK, and select this plane, invoke the sketcher again, and let's just see what's the distance. It's 88 and 12. So let's just draw one more circle with same 5.5. And mirror it. Okay, exit the workbench and pocket it through. Now we are left with rounding edges. It's 12 in dia, so just use the dress up feature, edge fillet, define the radius as 12 and select all the edges. 1, 2, 3. Shortcut is with use of control, we can select all of it and press OK. So here is our complete solid model from isometric with a simple use of multi-section solid. Thank you.